Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix Crunchyroll is not available in your region yet. So I will show you the easiest method to solve this error. First of all, you have to just open your Play Store or App Store and then search here for free VPN. So after searching free VPN, you will find here a lot of the free VPNs. You have to just install one and connect it to your device. I will recommend you the Super VPN or the Turbo VPN, which are the most effective to use for this error. I just update my Turbo VPN. You have to just install your VPN. So after completing the installation, you have to just open the VPN and then you have to just tap to connect it to your device. And after connecting, you have to just click on the location and try to change the location to any of the other country. And after connecting to the server, you have to just again try to install your Crunchyroll, and hopefully this time your problem will be fixed and you will be able to install the Crunchyroll in your region. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.